Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of tomato farming. If you've ever wanted to grow juicy, flavorful tomatoes right in your backyard, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or experienced gardener, these proven techniques will help you get an abundant harvest. So let's get started. First things first, choosing the right variety is key to success. Tomatoes come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. You've got determinate varieties like Roma and Celebrity, which grow to a certain size and produce all at once, great for small spaces and canning. Then, you have indeterminate varieties, like beefsteak and cherry tomatoes, which keep growing and producing fruit throughout the season. Decide which suits your needs based on your growing space and climate. Now let's talk soil. Tomatoes love well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, add compost or well-rotted manure to the soil. This improves structure and boosts nutrient levels. A pH of 6.0 to 6.8 is ideal for tomato plants. You can test your soil with a simple kit from a garden store. Here's a quick tip. If your soil is too acidic, add some lime. And if it's too alkaline, sulfur will do the trick. When planting tomatoes, don't be afraid to bury the plant deeper than it was in the pot, right up to the first set of leaves. This allows the plant to develop more roots along its stem, making it stronger and able to take up more nutrients. Space your plants about 18 to 24 inches apart for good air circulation and healthy growth. And if you're growing in containers, make sure they're at least 18 inches deep for the roots to spread. Tomatoes need consistent moisture to thrive, but overwatering can lead to root rot. Water deeply about 1 to 1.5 inches per week, focusing on the base of the plant rather than the leaves. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses are ideal. Mulching is another essential step. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or grass clippings to retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and prevent weeds. Mulch also helps prevent diseases by reducing soil splashing onto the leaves. Pruning your tomato plants helps direct energy to fruit production instead of excess foliage. Remove the lower leaves that touch the soil as they're more prone to diseases. Pinch off any suckers, the small shoots that grow between the main stem and the branches. These won't produce fruit and can drain energy from your plant. And don't forget to stake or cage your plants. Indeterminate varieties can get quite tall, so you'll want to provide sturdy support. Tie the stems loosely to prevent damage and help the plant bear the weight of the fruit. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so you'll need to fertilize regularly. Start with a balanced fertilizer when planting, and once flowers appear, switch to a fertilizer high in potassium and phosphorus to encourage fruiting. Fish emulsion, compost tea, or organic tomato fertilizers are great options. Keep an eye out for common tomato pests like aphids, whiteflies, and hornworms. A strong spray of water can dislodge small pests, or use neem oil or insecticidal soap for more severe infestations. For diseases like blight, proper air circulation and avoiding wetting the leaves during watering can make a big difference. After 60 to 80 days, depending on your variety, your tomatoes should be ready for harvest. Pick them when they're fully colored and slightly firm. Avoid letting them overripen on the vine, as this can attract pests and reduce the plant's productivity. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown tomatoes, juicy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. The best part is, with these techniques, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest all season long. And that's how you can grow amazing tomatoes in your garden. By following these simple yet effective techniques, you'll be enjoying homegrown tomatoes in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments how your tomato plants are doing.